Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you some creative and budget-friendly ideas for organizing your room. You don't have to spend a lot of money to have a clean and organized space. Idea 1. Repurposing. One of the most budget-friendly ways of organizing your room is by repurposing items you already have. For instance, you can use old mason jars to store your makeup brushes or pens and pencils. You can also use a shoe organizer hung on the back of your door to store your shoes, hats, or even your cleaning supplies. Idea 2. DIY shelves. Another great way of organizing your room without breaking the bank is by creating DIY shelves. All you need are wooden crates or cardboard boxes and some glue. You can stack these boxes or crates to create a beautiful and functional shelf, perfect for storing books, clothes, or any other items you need. Idea 3. Hidden storage. When you're organizing a small space, the key is to maximize every inch of the room. That's where hidden storage comes in. You can create hidden storage areas by using a bed with storage drawers underneath or hanging shelves with baskets or boxes that can slide in and out. This way, you can store your items out of sight, but still have them easily accessible. Idea 4. Label everything. To make it easier to find items in your organized room, you can label everything. This will save you time and energy in the long run. You can either use a label maker or create your own labels with paper and marker. Either way, you'll be able to find what you need without having to sift through a mess. And there you have it, folks. These are some creative and budget-friendly ideas for organizing your room. Remember, you don't have to spend a lot of money to have a clean and organized space. With just a little creativity and effort, you can turn your cluttered bedroom into a peaceful and functional haven. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY ideas.